everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing Empties. As always, I have some Parent Choice wipes. The fresh scent, I bought the 3-pack. You can buy them individually. I like the fresh scent, I like the shea butter ones, I like the specialty scents. I usually always go back to the fresh scent. It smells like baby powder. You get 100 wipes and 300 wipes total for that package. It is just under $7, and I will continue to repurchase these. These work fantastic. Get you some. The Women's Daily with Iron. This is $1.25 at DollarTree. These are basically a women's daily vitamin. You get 30 tablets in here. I do like these. I've repurchased these a few times and they serve their purpose. So I will continue to pick them up if DollarTree still has them for $1.25. The Arm & Hammer Talc Free Body Powder. This definitely served its purpose. It works fantastic. It's talc free. It's name brand. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I've already repurchased this, and it's 5 ounces. Studio Selections Jumbo Cotton Balls, 100 count. These were $1 at Dollar General. Better deal than Dollar Tree. These ones are bigger than the Dollar Tree. I mean, it does suggest that they are jumbo. You can tear them in two and technically get like 200 for $1. I use them for nail polish remover. I use them for toner, witch hazel, that kind of thing. They serve the purpose really well. So we have one of these mini Colgate toothpaste from the dentist. And this is the cavity protection one. Connor has never been a fan of this one, but every time we get one from the dentist, we make it a point to use it up anyways. Yeah, it's blue, it's kind of sparkly, it's supposed to be appealing to the children, and if this is what you buy, I mean, yeah, I get it, it works. But however, this is Connor's favorite toothpaste, and it's the Colgate Watermelon Burst. It's been his favorite for I don't even know how long now, years. So I hope they keep making it so we can keep purchasing it. And then these Colgate Classic Clean Soft Bristle Toothbrushes. Buy 2 get 1 free. So there was 3 in here. And he's on the last one of these. They were nice toothbrushes. I believe that I got these at the Dollar Tree and they were $1.25. But you can buy these name brand toothbrushes at Dollar General for $1 as well. So yeah. The bristles look like that. But these were good. He liked them. Still currently using on one. Moving on to hair items. I have this. It's just like the packaging piece. It was from Dollar Tree. And it's the Nickelodeon Shimmer and Shine Hair Detangler. It says it's cotton candy scented. To me, it smells like strawberries, which is okay. I do still have some left in the bottle, but this thing kept coming off. So I just slipped it off and thought I would talk about it in the empties, and when I'm done with the bottle I can just throw it away. It does actually work decent for a hair detangler, and I bought it for my hair because Connor has natural curly hair too, but he doesn't want to go to school smelling like cotton candy. But it did what it's supposed to. It works good. It's like 8 ounces. And this is $1.25. I don't know where you can get some hair detangler cheaper, maybe making it on your own, but $1.25 is not bad for some hair detangler. The Aussie Miracle Moist, and I have the shampoo and the conditioner here. Smells so good. These are 12 ounces, and these came in a 2-pack for like $9. They lasted a couple months. Shampoos and conditioners always last a while because I wash my hair once a week. That's what my hair is kind of like trained for now. And because I've been doing that for years. Now, don't get me wrong, if I'm using a cheaper shampoo, I feel like I always need to put this disclaimer in here. If I'm using a cheaper shampoo like VO5 or something from the Dollar Tree, I will usually wash my hair twice a week. But I prefer to do it once a week. And of course, it doesn't take much for my husband or my son hair. So this usually lasts us for a while. It was great. It's fantastic. The hair smells amazing. The hair is so nice and hydrated and conditioned. Fantastic. Top-notch hair product. Same with the Garnier. I can't really say much about it other than I absolutely love it. 12.5 ounces. And this is the Sleek and Shine. This came in a 2-pack. and I got this at Walmart. This one was $9 from Dollar General in the 2-pack. This one came from Walmart, and it was under $7 for this, and it's yeah, the Sleek and Shine one. They have these in a bunch of different variations, so the shampoo, the conditioner, and it's supposed to be an improved formula. I like it because it does give you up to 3 days with Sleek for frizzy dry hair. I do think, obviously, because I have natural curly hair, frizz for days. Frizz, frizz, frizz. This works wonderful for that. I love it. I love the way this stuff smells. I'll continue to purchase this. And as you can tell, from month to month, I kind of like switch it up. So it was Aussie and Garnier this time. Next time I may purchase, well, I've already repurchased Aussie. But next time might be like Herbal Essence. So, you know, kind of like switch it around sometimes. But yeah, these fantastic. Highly recommend. Okay, body washes up next. The Suave Kids 3-in-1 Purely Fun. This was 28 fluid ounces. This didn't really have a scent to this, but it was nice and gentle. Once we used this up, you know, Connor's decided he's too old for this kitty stuff. It was super cute though, packaging. I love the Suave Kids, and honestly it's a little bit bittersweet to see it go because I know we're not going to be buying it anymore. But very fun. We bought these so many times over the years. Definitely recommend these for your kiddos. The Axe Phoenix is the shower gel. This was 12 fluid ounces. I love this one. This is our favorite one, and I say our because I like smelling it too, is Phoenix. So we purchase Phoenix all the time. There's other Phoenix products coming up too. This is great stuff. So the shower gel definitely will be repurchased, and my favorite time to purchase these is around the Christmas when they have the gift sets. Now this Personal Care Chocolate Raspberry Truffle Body Wash, 8 fluid ounces. I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I do think it's a good deal for $1. It is on the thinner side. The scent does not linger. It does get you clean. I don't think I'll repurchase it. It just wasn't one of my favorites is all. But I do think for the $1 from the Dollar General, it was fine. But just not my favorite. Chocolate Temptation. I love the packaging though. And the sweet scented body wash. And this one I absolutely loved. This is the Suave Strawberry Delight Uplifting Long Lasting Fragrance Body Wash. 18 fluid ounces. Love the packaging on this. This smelled phenomenal. Absolutely love the way this smelled. It lathered so good. A little goes a long way. This lasted for a while. I will definitely repurchase this stuff. I'm on a Suave kick. Like, this is the 3rd one that I've had, I believe, this year. I'm going to continue to purchase these Suave ones. They are really good, really nice scents. They lather. It feels moisturizing on your skin. And for the price, I believe this was like $3, a luxurious experience. But it's a nice, thick, creamy body wash. The scent lingers on the skin. It performs so nicely. It lathers so good. It smells amazing. Very moisturizing. I love it so much. Will definitely repurchase it. The Suave Coconut Kiss Deodorant. Love this stuff. I did purchase this at the Dollar Tree. I really loved this Coconut Kiss. I love all coconut, and this was very nice. The Suave deodorant works for me like Secret. And I'm no longer paying prices for Secret. If I can't find it at the Dollar Tree, I'm not purchasing Secret. But that was my all-time favorite, the Powder Fresh. This is fantastic. Works great. Lasts all day. The Axe 48-Hour Anti-Sweat Deodorant in Phoenix. Connor and John love this stuff. Once again, Phoenix is our favorite. So we'll keep on repurchasing this. And then the 48-Hour High Definition Scent in Phoenix as well. So that's also a repurchase. We're actually almost there. They are actually almost through another set of these. But yeah, this stuff's great. We'll just keep purchasing that one. And the Apollo one and the Dark Temptation one are good too. But Phoenix has just been the repurchase for years. And then this Physicians Formula Butter Paradise. This is a perfume. It came in a makeup set. This smells like their butter bronzers. Coconutty, tropical kind of scent. Beachy scent. This is it right here. I don't know that you can purchase this on its own or it only comes in makeup sets. I'm not sure. I love the scent of this, but the downside is it's kind of oily. But other than that, it was fantastic, but I am glad to see it gone. It was nice. Last item I have to share with you is the Soft Soap. Warm vanilla and coconut milk scented. Deeply moisturizes for hydrated hands, washes away bacteria. 11.25 fluid ounces, and this says it's a moisturizing hand soap. And it was nice and creamy. This was $3 at the Dollar General. I definitely would repurchase it again. It has a nice warm vanilla scent. I love any kind of milk products, so this was right up my alley. I do love how moisturizing this is and creamy. Fantastic. 10 out of 10. Definitely would repurchase this one again. Highly recommend. So that is all the empties I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful, maybe try some of the products out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.